make pop art style dotted halftone effect in Canva without using the screen app inside Canva. So let's start with it. So for this example, I am using this image. Okay, I will make it bigger. Okay, and after that I will click on BG remover. So as you can see, the background is removed, and after that click on edit, and after that scroll down to find filters, click on see all, and scroll all the way down to find X Pro Plus, and this is the effect which I will click and get the effect in here. And after that I will go to elements, and here I will search dotted halftone. Okay, and go to graphics and click on see all, and I will use this one which says halftone for fade gradient background. Okay, so I will click on it and I will use it here. And I will duplicate it and bring it down here, flip vertical, and I will use it here. So for the pop art style, make sure the dotted part is minimal in the face. And after that, click on share, click on download, make sure you download it as PNG, click on download here. Click on add page and just re-upload the image which you just created. Okay, make it in the same size as the canvas, and click on BG remover again to remove the dotted part from the background. Okay, and after that just crop out some part so that I can change the background here. So for the background color I will choose a solid color which is this light blue I will prefer, and after that I will click on the image, click on edit again, and scroll down to find shadows and click on outline here. Scroll down and make sure the size is 25 only, and change the color from black to white. And as you can see, you can create something like this. Let's make it bigger, and your design is ready. Okay, so you can create something like this pop art style, and unique way you can present your image using this style. So hope you like this tutorial and hope you have learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you.